All right.
Nicer than I was expecting to see.
Apparently we're here in St. Louis, Illinois.
Oh, yep, St. Louis, Illinois. Not what I was expecting to find here. I wonder if there's another one somewhere.
That or they just flat out replace this thing at some point.
Yeah. It's abundantly obvious who installed this. I mean, KONE. Such an A elevator.
Hey, Ted Drews. Hi, Ted Drews.
I think this thing might have been fitted with a smart rise controller.
It actually is in pretty good shape overall.
It is.
Can't recall ever seeing that specific indicator.
Yeah, I can't say I do either. I mean, KONE 220 buttons are, in general, not that common. You see them enough.
I don't know, you want to go back up or get out of here? Works for me.
Nice quick door timer. That's it.